Here I'm going to show you the basic controls of how to move around once you are in Blender. So the first thing we want to do is to be able to rotate around this cube and view it properly in 3D space. The first way to do this is to go up to this brightly colored wheel over here and click on this X and drag it around. By swiveling around with this X, you can see that we are moving completely around this cube here. You can also click on the Y and drag it around like that. If you want to snap to the X-axis view, you click it. If you want to snap to the Y-axis view, you click the Y. And from any point you can just go back to this wheel if you get lost or you forget the controls. It's really convenient that it's up on the right hand side of this window at all times. Another tool that I'll show you is the zoom tool. So I'm just going to this little magnifying glass and I'm going to click and drag. And you can zoom in and out. I'm just clicking and dragging back and forth. Right below the zoom tool is the move tool. I'm going to click and drag on that also. And as you can see, you can move side to side and up and down. Right below the move tool is the camera view. So by clicking this, you can toggle in and out of your camera view. No matter where you are in the scene, if you click your camera view, you'll go right to it and then snap back where you were. If you want to figure out how to rotate your view without going all the way up here to this wheel, you can do it by clicking in the scroll wheel of your mouse and dragging. So I'm clicking and dragging and I can move all around our scene here. And if I use the scroll wheel and scroll in, I zoom in, I scroll out, and I zoom out. Now if you ever forget these mouse controls, look in the bottom left hand side of your window and you can see little directions right here. So clicking and holding down your left click on the mouse gives you a box select. Clicking once also selects. So I recommend practicing with your mouse. Soon it will become second nature. Just takes a little practice.